Hello and welcome everyone. I am here to explain how to write a biographical sketch. Children, I will be telling you about the format of bio sketch. First of all, I would like to tell you what I mean by a biographical sketch. A biographical sketch or bio sketch is a brief summary of a person's life achievements. It includes professional, educational accomplishments, publications, and affiliations that highlight important aspects of his experiences, training, etc. Let us discuss about the format of biographical sketch. The main points that need to be incorporated while writing a bio sketch are full name, date of birth, age, place of birth. All these things are mentioned first. Then we write about the major personality traits. After writing that, we write about educational details highlighting any major achievements or awards. Then the person's contribution to the society. Then about the special interest of that person. Then why is he or she famous or known for. While writing the bio sketch, we should take care of the points that are given here. First of all, a bio sketch should be written in third form. It should outline important events of person's life including experiences, competencies and interest. Special awards and recognitions must be mentioned in bio sketch. Then, emphasize on portraying a person in an admirable manner. Here is an example of biographical sketch format. Name and age, then main personality traits, then special interest, after that education and training, then special contribution or research if any, then why people like him or her. Next, here is an example of biography sketch. The information that is given to you is born in 1809 in northern Kentucky. Family, father wealthy farmer, lost his land when Lincoln was 7. So, here we know that we have to write the biographical sketch of Abraham Lincoln. Moved to Indiana. Mother died when he was 9. Family moved to Illinois soon after. Education, little formal education, loved to read, studied law by reading law books, became a lawyer in 1837, Springfield, Illinois. Political career began early, served in the state legislature in the US House of Representatives. Gifted speaker, speeches against slavery, nomination for presidency, won in 1860, re-elected in 1864. Death, assassinated by John Wilkes Booth on April 15, 1865. Remembered for wisdom, compassion and patriotism. Let us start writing the bio sketch of the great leader Abraham Lincoln. In 1809, Abraham Lincoln was born to a wealthy farmer family in northern Kentucky. When he was 7 years old, his father lost his farming land and the family moved to Indiana. At the age of 9 years old, after his mother passed away, his family moved to Illinois for livelihood. Abraham had little formal education but had a strong interest in books and learning. He studied law books as his own and started his career as lawyer in 1837, Springfield, Illinois. He soon moved into politics and served in state legislature in the US House of Representatives. He was a talented orator. In his speeches, he talked about abolition of slavery. Finally, he was nominated and became the president in 1860. In 1864, he was re-elected as president. He was shot by John Wilkes Booth on April 15, 1865. Abraham Lincoln is often remembered for his wisdom, compassion, and patriotism that led him to the nation's highest office. Students, in this bio sketch, I have explained everything. I hope all of you must have understood it. Thank you and have a nice day.